You feel broken, shattered, alone. You might be sitting in a dark room right now. Everyone else is asleep, but you can't sleep. You might have tears in your eyes. Lying awake, you stare at the ceiling. Everything feels so heavy. Inside, your mind is screaming. In the silence, your doubts grow louder. You wonder if you'll ever feel whole again. Maybe you even ask yourself, is this my fault? Did I do something wrong? You feel like you're carrying the weight of the world, and it's crushing you. It hurts. It really, really hurts. Maybe you're tired of pretending to be okay, tired of smiling, and you feel like nobody understands. But listen closely. You are not alone. I'm here with you. I know you're hurting. I know you're scared. It's okay. This pain means something. It means you're still alive. It means you're still fighting. You are stronger than you think. Even broken things can be fixed. Even the darkest night ends with the dawn. Even you have the strength to rebuild. For now, remember this. The fact that you're still here means something. It means you're still fighting. This moment right now could be the start. It could be the first step. Just breathe. Give yourself a moment. We'll find a way, together. You wake up. The room is silent. Moonlight leaks through the curtains. The darkness around you feels endless. Your heart is heavy. You walk to the mirror. A shadow looks back at you. You do not recognize the eyes staring back. A slow wave of pain crashes over you. You didn't ask for this night. You didn't ask to feel so alone. But here you are, one breath at a time. You face the emptiness. Your hand shakes. You press it against your chest. A tiny heartbeat still fights, softly. You sink to the floor. Crying feels impossible, but your eyes still burn with tears. You try to scream. Only silence answers. In this vast solitude, memories whisper. A laugh from long ago. A voice you miss. A brief moment when you felt light. But now, all you feel is weight. Yet, even here, something stirs. A quiet voice deep inside. A flicker of what used to be. You remember how it was to breathe freely, how it felt to be alive, even for an instant. You lay back. The ceiling is dark above you. You stretch out your fingers to the shadow. A slow breath finds its way in and out. Maybe you think it's over, but maybe something is shifting. In the silence, you listen to that small voice. You honor it. The night is long, but you are still here, still breathing. You are not gone yet. You take another breath. You close your eyes and let the darkness hold you. You are broken, but the quiet knows your name. You keep breathing. For the first time in a long time, morning feels different. You breathe deeper. In the quiet of dawn, your heart feels lighter, just a fraction. You step outside. The air is cool on your face. There is gentle light behind the clouds. A promise you had almost forgotten existed. Each step forward still trembles with pain, but you keep walking, even if it is slow. You make coffee, you open the curtains, you answer a text, or simply tie your shoes. Each small gesture is a lifeline that reminds you that you still exist in this world, quietly showing up day after day. The path isn't straight, it's winding, uneven. You'll stumble sometimes, but each time, you find a way to stand again. Your scars are still there, but they have become part of who you are, proof that you survived storms you once thought you couldn't. In these moments of silence, you realize this is your story, and it's still being written. Every breath, each sunrise, each act of getting up again is a quiet triumph. It is not the roar of a sudden victory. It is a whisper, a gentle, kind whisper that says, you are still here. And to you, yes, you listening now, I say this softly. You may feel completely broken, but you are not alone. You are not the only one who has stared into this darkness. You are not the only soul who still wakes each day finding the strength to try once more. Your story is far from over. You are still breathing. You are still here. In this moment, know that you are not alone. You made it. You are here. You have come so far. It was not easy, but you are still breathing, and that means something. I see your quiet courage. Each small step matters. You did not give up. You are not alone. Others feel this way, even if they don't say it out loud. We understand. For now, rest. Take one more breath. Let it fill you. You deserve kindness, especially now. You did well. Thank you for listening. This warm, quiet space is here for you. Come back anytime. We will be here, gently waiting, quietly cheering you on. You are always welcome in this gentle circle. Stay if you wish, or subscribe if you'd like to stay connected. No pressure. Just know you are loved. Take care, friend.